This is Dr. Jagjit Malhotra from DAV Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jalandhar. And today my topic of presentation is sustainable electronics. These are my week 1 video details in which I briefly covered CO2 emissions by life phase of a digital device, what resources are used to make a computer and a microchip, mobile phones, environmental rucksack, our current model of consumption. Standards applicable to my week 1 video are ISO 14001 2015 and IEEE 1680.1 2018. Sustainable Electronics Recycling International is a non-profit organization dedicated to the responsible reuse, repair and recycling of electronic products. It is the housing body for the R2 standard and works with a coalition of partners to raise awareness of electronics repair and recycling issues around the world. Beforehand, we need to know what is R2. R2 is the leading standard for electronics repair and recycling. The R2 standard provides a common set of processes, safety measures, and documentation requirements for businesses that repair and recycle used electronics. R2 is rigorously and independently audited, emphasizing quality, safety, and transparency. More than 800 facilities are currently R2 certified in 31 countries. Now, there is a used electronics challenge. Beforehand, let's see what is used electronics. It varies widely in size, shape, weight, age, and technological complexity, including everything from last year's high-end mobile phone to a server in a data center. Many of these products can be repaired and reused, all others can be recycled for their scrap material. Another growing problem we need to discuss is approximately 15 pounds of used electronics are generated per capita worldwide, but less than 20% are recycled. The volume of used electronics is expected to increase over 33% by the end of the decade, with most of that growth coming from emerging economies. Another environment and data risks. Electronics items contain mercury, cadmium, phosphorus, lead, and other substances that can contaminate the air, soil, and water if sent to landfill or are otherwise improperly managed. Increasing number of electronic devices also contain sensitive user data, including contact information, credit card, medical histories, photos, and other information. Now, how to responsibly manage it? First answer is repair and reuse. Reuse is widely recognized as the most environmentally beneficial form of materials management. Repairing and reusing electronics extends the useful life of products and keeps them out of the waste stream. It also recovers most value per unit than any other form of materials management. Not only that, reusing electronic devices reduces the need to manufacture new ones and makes affordable electronics more accessible to a wider range of consumers. Another option is recycling. Recovery of valuable metals and other materials from end of life electronic provides a sustainable solution when reuse is no longer feasible. Urban mining for rare and precious materials contained in electronic devices stretches our planet's limited supply of natural resources and requires less energy than the mining of new material. That's all for week 2. Thank you. Thank you very much.